Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, Senior Mentor of 1 Billion Signals, sponsored by Merit Forex. Here we go again. New week, new month, new opportunities, and the NFP week ahead. Very, very important, as the Nonfarm Payroll is one of the most important events on the market, especially on the Forex market. Brings a lot of volatility, combined with Black Friday, Black Weekend, Black everything, and we just got a very long weekend in United States. Thanksgiving holidays. So bear in mind that for the people in US who decided to totally ignore the COVID situation, this is going to bring a lot of new positive cases for sure. Because when they gather, when many people gather on one place, what's the result. So I've been expecting after this week to see the COVID cases rapidly growing in United States. The American indices started pushing down since this morning. The future is talking about, as the New York Stock Exchange hasn't opened yet, and this can put the pressure that we all have been waiting for. So what do we have on the market? Today we start with President Lagarde speech, 10 a.m. GMT, pending home sales, 3 p.m. for US. Tuesday, tomorrow, we have interest rate in Australia, very important event for the Australian dollar, because the interest rate is one of the monetary policy tools of the banks to affect the currency price. German manufacturing PMI 855. I'm gonna go a little bit, I'm gonna rush a bit just because we have many events. Manufacturing PMI 930, CPI for Euro 10 a.m., GDP for Canada 130. This is only for Tuesday. Federal Reserve Chairman Powell is gonna testify, a very important also event, 3 p.m. in front of the Congress. ISM manufacturing PMI 3 p.m. exactly the same for US, and President Lagarde 5. Wednesday, again, Powell is going to testify 3 p.m. 1:15, ADP NFP, as usual, it's Wednesday. Crude oil inventories 3:30. We saw very green numbers for the crude oil. Crude oil is pushing up, which is, in my opinion, total nonsense, despite the positive vaccine news. But I don't see such a high demand for crude oil these days, especially considering the COVID cases. That this usually supposed to bring down the demand for traveling and, respectively speaking, for crude oil. Thursday, December 3rd, composite PMI services PMI for UK 930, initial jobless claims 1:30 p.m. and ISM non-manufacturing PMI 3 p.m. Very important events for US right now. Friday, we have our lovely NFP, 1:30 GMT, employment change in Canada 1:30. So these are the events for this week. Very, very important to summarize the most important. Federal Reserve Chairman Powell is going to be his two speeches. Both speeches are going to be very important. Non-farm payroll, ADP and NFP on Wednesday as well. And this is it. So simply Wednesday and Friday and Thursday. Monday and Tuesday are not going to be super important. So let's take a look what do we have on the charts. Euro US dollar is still pushing up, something that's still surprising me. Very important what's going to happen now after the long holiday in United States. Are we going to see rapid growing of the COVID cases? I think so, and this can put a lot of pressure on the American indices, respectively speaking, on the major currency pairs. Euro is holding above the resistance 1.1912. I'm going to put a new resistance level here because we have 1.2011, and we are gonna wait. Right now we're standing between. We didn't have any good entry of the Euro US dollar, even to the buy side. To buy Euro dollar right now, I personally believe is very dangerous. GBP is kind of similar, try to retrace back to test the support level. Right now it's trying to push up. Let's see what's gonna happen, but for now GBP, I don't see it as good buying opportunity. Australia and US, one of the most stable, I would say, currency pairs with the New Zealand. Just take a look, New Zealand dollar going up and up and up. We can expect correction any moment. I would wait for the New York Stock Exchange to see how it's going to affect specifically the New Zealand dollar, as it's going up very, very, very rapidly. But for the Australian dollar, just reached the resistance level. So from here we can expect good retracement to the downside. USD CAD is following its trend. Obviously, it was a very good short opportunity here on the top after the correction. My students knows what's all about, but 1.2983, 1.30, very close to the round number, trying to break out the support level, which is not gonna be easy, but definitely we're heading to the next support. I'm gonna move this one to a new support level, 1.2928. Canadian dollar in terms of trend is highly correlated with the crude oil, as you know, as Canada is a very big producer of crude oil. So crude is pushing up, broken the resistance level 43.77, which is significant amount in such an environment. $46 per barrel reached. Round number, very big resistance level. I'm just gonna switch this to a new resistance without being tested before. I'm gonna put it on the round number, $46 per barrel. So everybody is watching the American indices currently to see which direction they're gonna take. Everybody is expecting to see a drop. By the way, I've been talking to many people, many professional traders, and we are all sharing exactly the same opinion. It's total nonsense to see American indices going and pushing and pumping up and up and up and up, but this is the reality. We can't ignore it. So crude going up, CAD going down, which is helping the USD Canadian going down. And of course, we have to looking for short opportunities on the USD Canadian. USD Swiss, kind of similar. We see this is going down, very weak dollar. It's going to get weaker, most probably, specifically about the Swiss and Japan. Just take a look, they're kind of similar. USD Swiss, USD Japanese. Swiss and Japanese are also considered a safe haven currencies. Let me remind you that, because the environment is not so safe currently, and the investors are looking for these two currency pairs, to buy these two currency pairs. So USD Swiss heading down, kind of very simple opportunity. We got correction and the price is testing 0.90s right now. So USD Japan, one of my favorite currency pairs with the USD Swiss, when they start creating a trend, they create it very clearly, as you can see, and it's just super smooth to watch USD Japanese yen and the USD Swiss. Just a very clear trend, higher, lower highs, lower lows, and with beautiful corrections, super clear and good momentums. Brilliant currency pairs, a currency pair to trade. So USD Japan, is not even necessary to mention that it's absolutely short opportunity. So if you're going to trade this one, I would suggest you, of course, to looking for short trades. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Really hope you enjoyed this video and help you a lot, of course. If you would like to support me, share us and like us on the social medias, thumbs up. Peter Thompson is my name. Have a very profitable week, of course. Follow the news because they're important, especially these days, and expect my new video on Wednesday. Bye bye.